Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Mitsubishi Triton GLS dual cab ute. Stock reference number 5190. This shape runs from the 11th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet also appears to have no damage, left power door mirror in chrome, non-camera type, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, Aftermarket Carryboy colour-coded canopy with all fittings, less keys, left hand tail light, factory towbar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light has a couple of little scratches. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag, less tyre. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, car window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, super select type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.